What if I told you that the most planted fruit tree in America is also the one that takes the longest to reward you? You bought the apple tree. You planted it, watered it, pruned it, sprayed it. 3 years passed, maybe 4, and that tree still sat there, giving you nothing but work. The nursery never told you that apple trees take 5 to 7 years to produce a full harvest. They never told you there are 13 fruit trees that start producing within the first year of planting. Trees that ask almost nothing from you and give back far more than apples ever could. Your great-grandparents never waited 5 years for fruit. They planted trees that fed their families the very same season. Stick around, because tree number 2 on this list produces fruit so fast that it was feeding entire villages in Asia before apple trees were even introduced to those regions, and almost nobody in America plants it. Here are 13 fruit trees that produce in 1 year. Plant these instead of apples, starting now. Number 13, elderberry, the 2-year producer. Native Americans used elderberry medicinally for centuries, and European settlers adopted it the moment they arrived because it established faster than anything they brought from home. Here is what makes elderberry remarkable for early production. Most shrubs begin fruiting in year 2, sometimes late in year 1 when planted early. A mature plant produces 12 to 15 pounds of berries annually with 0 spray required. It grows in zones 3 through 9. Wet soil that would rot other fruit tree roots is exactly where elderberry thrives. The berries must be cooked before eating, but they make exceptional syrups and wines that sell for premium prices at farmers markets. For anyone who is tired of waiting, elderberry is the 2-year producer that starts delivering before your apple tree has even settled in. Number 12, serviceberry, the first fruit of the season. Indigenous peoples across North America harvested serviceberries as their very first fruit each spring, mixing them into pemmican that sustained entire communities through winter travel. Here is what makes serviceberry exceptional for fast production. It begins fruiting in year 2 to 3, far ahead of apples, and it ripens before any other tree fruit in your garden. The flavor resembles blueberry with subtle almond undertones, and laboratory analysis shows higher antioxidant levels than blueberries. It grows in zones 2 through 9, the widest climate range of any tree on this list. No spray, no fuss. Plant it in full sun to partial shade, and it produces without complaint. Elderberry starts fast, but serviceberry ripens first every season and keeps going for decades with nothing asked of you. Number 11, Jujube, the neglect champion. The Chinese have cultivated jujube for over 4,000 years, calling it the poor man's fruit because anyone can grow it regardless of skill or soil. The USDA studied jujube specifically for land reclamation because it grows in conditions where nothing else survives. Here is what makes jujube remarkable for first-year results. Young trees begin producing small crops in year 1 to 2 after planting. The fruit tastes like a sweet apple when fresh and like a date when dried, storing for years without refrigeration. It grows in zones 5 through 10, tolerates drought that would kill pomegranate, and has virtually no pest or disease problems because nothing in America evolved to attack it. For anyone whose fruit trees keep dying from neglect, jujube is the neglect champion that rewards you for doing nothing. Number 10, Aronia, the cold climate overachiever. Laboratory testing confirms Aronia contains the highest antioxidant levels of any fruit ever measured. Poland leads world production. Commercial operations are expanding across cold climate American states right now. Here is why Aronia produces ahead of schedule. Established shrubs in zones 3 through 8 begin fruiting reliably in year 2, sometimes year 1. A mature plant produces heavily without any care, wet or dry soil, full sun or partial shade. One plant produces without a pollination partner. The berries are astringent, fresh, but exceptional in jams, juices, and wines that command premium market prices. Aronia outperforms in cold climates. But the next tree does something even more impressive. It produces fruit you simply cannot buy anywhere. Number 9, Pawpaw. The fruit stores refuse to sell. Thomas Jefferson grew pawpaws at Monticello and called them among his favorites. Lewis and Clark survived on them during their expedition when other food ran out. Here is why pawpaw is worth the 2 to 3 year wait. Grocery stores refuse to carry pawpaw because the fruit is too delicate to ship. Growing your own is the only way to taste it. The flavor is tropical custard with mango and banana notes despite growing in temperate climates. Zones 5 through 9. No pest problems because no native insects evolved to attack it. Plant 2 different varieties for cross-pollination, and then wait. The first harvest is worth every day. For anyone who wants to grow something no store can ever sell you, Pawpaw is the exclusive fruit that your neighbors will never understand. Number 8. Fig, the ancient one-year miracle. Archaeological evidence shows humans cultivated figs before wheat, before barley, before any grain crop. Over 11,000 years of cultivation. Thomas Jefferson called figs his favorite fruit. Here is what makes fig the fastest serious producer on this list. Container-grown figs often fruit in their first year. Cold hardy varieties like Chicago Hardy survive Zone 5 winters, dying back and regrowing each spring. The trees require no pollinator, no pest or disease problems in home gardens. 50 to 100 pounds of fruit annually from a single tree, with some varieties producing 2 separate crops per year. For anyone who wants fruit in the first season of planting, fig is the 11,000-year producer that often delivers in year 1. Number 7. Haskap, the Siberian breakthrough. The University of Saskatchewan spent decades building a breeding program around one goal: create the ultimate cold climate berry. Haskap, also called Honeyberry, is the result. Selections were crossed from Siberia, Japan, and northern Canada. Here is what makes Haskap extraordinary for early production. It is hardy to Zone 2. The flowers tolerate late spring frost that destroys apple and cherry blossoms, meaning reliable production in years when every other fruit fails. Berries ripen earlier than strawberries, earlier than anything else in the garden. Production begins within 2 to 3 years of planting, and the flavor ranges from blueberry to raspberry depending on variety. For anyone gardening where late frost kills other fruit every spring, Haskap produces when everything else fails. Number 6. Mulberry, the 600-pound producer. Silkworm farmers cultivated mulberry trees across Asia for over 4,000 years because silkworms eat the leaves. What they discovered everywhere they planted was that mulberry survives soil and conditions that defeat everything else. Here is the production number that stops people. A mature mulberry tree produces 300 to 600 pounds of fruit in a single season. Not a typo. 600 pounds. Illinois everbearing survives minus 25 degrees Fahrenheit. The fruit ripens over 6 to 8 weeks rather than all at once. No spraying, no fire blight, no coddling moth. Trees begin producing in year 2 to 3. Fresh mulberries are not available in grocery stores because the fruit is too delicate to ship. Growing your own is the only way to taste them. The only reason nurseries do not push mulberry is that you buy one tree and never need their chemicals again. That is exactly why you should plant one. Number 5. Quince, the forgotten orchard treasure. Your great-grandmother almost certainly cooked with quince. Every proper orchard before the commercial food industry included one. Then, supermarkets made quince obsolete, and nurseries quietly stopped growing them. Here is why quince deserves its place on this list. It grows in zones 5 through 9. It resists fire blight, the bacterial disease that devastates apple and pear orchards. A single tree produces, because quince is self-fertile, 50 to 100 pounds annually. Beautiful pink spring flowers rival any ornamental. The fruit transforms into the most aromatic jellies, pastes, and preserves imaginable. One quince will perfume an entire room for weeks. For anyone tired of fighting diseases that apple trees invite, quince grows clean and productive, while apples demand a spray schedule. Number 4. Asian pear, the apple you always wanted. Cultivated in Asia for over 3,000 years, Asian pear delivers the crisp crunch of apple with pear juiciness and a fraction of the disease problems. Here is where Asian pear makes apples look embarrassing. A mature standard tree produces 150 to 300 pounds of fruit annually. Trees begin bearing in 3 to 4 years instead of the 5 to 7 years apples require. Far fewer pest and disease problems than apples in the same orchard. The fruit stores for months under refrigeration, maintaining crispness. Zones 5 through 9. Plant 2 different varieties for cross-pollination. For anyone who wants everything they love about apples without the constant intervention, Asian pear is the upgrade that outproduces and outperforms. Number 3. American persimmon, the pioneer fruit. American persimmon trees grew on nearly every homestead from the Appalachians to the Rockies. Pioneers planted them because nothing else survived their untreated rocky clay soil and still produced abundantly. Here's what makes American persimmon a true plant-and-forget producer. An extremely deep taproot finds water that shallow-rooted fruit trees cannot reach. It tolerates rocky clay and poor dry soil that kills apple, peach, and cherry trees. Virtually no pests or diseases. Self-fertile varieties eliminate the need for multiple trees. 35 to 75 pounds of fruit annually. The fruit sweetens after frost to a honey-like texture with notes of apricot and brown sugar. Pioneers fed their families from persimmon trees that asked nothing in return. For anyone with difficult soil where every other tree has failed, American persimmon is the pioneer fruit that fed homesteaders for a reason. We are down to number 2. Remember what I mentioned at the beginning, the tree that was feeding entire Asian villages before apple trees arrived in those regions. Here it is, number 2, mulberry. But now you understand why. I already told you about mulberry at number 6, but it earns a second mention because of what it represents. This tree produced fruit in Asian village orchards, while apple trees were still considered an exotic luxury in those regions. Generation after generation built their fruit production around mulberry, not because it was fashionable, but because it worked when nothing else did. 600 pounds per tree, no chemicals, no diseases, fruit you cannot buy in any store. A tree that starts producing before your apple tree stops sulking. The nursery industry has no incentive to tell you about mulberry. A single tree lasts decades and multiplies from cuttings for free. There is no spray schedule to sell you, no yearly replacement to profit from. That is the tree your great-grandparents planted. That is the tree you should plant next. Number 1. Fig, the complete package. I placed fig at number 8 by production speed alone, but it earns the top spot for what it offers the complete home grower. No other tree on this list does more with less. It fruits in year 1 from containers. It produces 2 crops annually when conditions allow. It needs no pollinator, no diseases in home gardens, no spray schedule. It adapts to any climate, either as a permanent tree in zone 7 and warmer, or as a container plant brought indoors anywhere colder. 11,000 years of cultivation did not happen by accident. Humans kept growing figs because figs kept delivering. The first season after planting, while your apple tree is still getting its bearings, a fig tree will give you fruit. That is the answer to the question nobody in the nursery industry wants you to ask. Why am I waiting 5 years for results from a tree that demands annual intervention when something far better produces in year 1? For anyone who wants maximum fruit for minimum waiting and minimum effort, fig is the complete package that has been proving itself since before recorded history. These 13 trees represent fruit-growing wisdom that the nursery industry replaced with apple tree sales pitches. Your great-grandparents grew persimmons, mulberries, and figs because they produced reliably without purchased inputs. Then chemical companies convinced a generation that fruit required spray schedules, and suddenly everyone planted apple trees that demand constant intervention. You do not need apple trees. You never did. Pick 2 or 3 trees from this list that match your climate. Order bare rootstock this winter and plant in early spring. By this time next year, you will be harvesting fruit while your neighbor's apple tree is still on the waiting list. These trees have been feeding families for thousands of years. They are ready to feed yours. If this video showed you what the nursery never mentioned, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment telling me which tree you are ordering first.